So if you are giving $1 now, what will you use it to do?
I will use it to make investments.
Okay.
I can build some house,
Okay.
build a house,
Okay.
and rent it for tenants.
Madam, you don't know what you're saying. You use $1 to build a house, use $1 to make rent. Madam, the best place you can put any money this year is in crypto. If you want your crypto to grow to the point you can build houses and rent tenants times 5 times 10 of your money times 50. Imagine that you put 10 million naira in a crypto. This is January. I'm still announcing this in January. And by May, June, it has grown times 20. That's 20 million. If it's 1 million that you put, right? If it's 5 million times 20, you know what I'm talking about, right? Crypto is hands down the industry that can make you the most money this year, guaranteed. Because US government is planning to invest. About 13 states, or is it 30 states in the US, are planning to use the state treasury to invest in crypto. And once you know US is leading, right? Once US does it, within few months, other countries will start doing it. That we're talking about government money officially moving into crypto now. A lot of the cryptos that people will invest in will grow high. And how do you find those cryptos? You go to investorpath.org. Don't go anywhere. Just go straight to Investorpath. You log in. The Investorpath will list. You buy a list, right? These are the lists of cryptos that will blow this year. That's the best investment you can make. That business you want to start, that shop you want to start selling provisions, all those things will waste your money. Even if you make profits, you can imagine now, right? The business there is guaranteed. In fact, in some people, right, depending on your budget, in crypto, it's better to come in with big budget. The lowest you can go to Investorpath with is 100,000 naira. That's about $70-80. All right. So some people make investments. It's better to go with bigger money, right? If you have 10, 20, 50, 100 million, because even a 10% increase, if you have 100 million naira invested, 10% increase will give you 10 million naira. Just that the crypto moves small, 10%, 10 million naira clean. There's no business you're going to do that will give you that 10 million that fast. Now imagine times 5 times 10 increase. From 100 million a car of money to use to buy car, that's 100 million naira. It's not much. It sounds big to people that you're broke. If you're broke, it will sound big to you. But if you look at cost of the average OK car, that's roughly 80 to 100 million naira. You understand? So instead of buying that car in January, delay it, put that money in crypto. Buy that car in September, October, November, December. Because by that time, your crypto has grown times 10, times 20, times 50. Imagine that 100 million naira grows times 50. People will say that you did rituals. It's not ritual. Many people taking the cue of what I'm saying now, going to Investorpath to invest. Before the end of this year, people will say that they did ritual. I will screenshot this video, I'll cut out this video, and use it to throw people that were doubting me later in the year. The way I've been doing, if you have been following me for the past 2-3 weeks, I will take my video where I predicted crypto price and bring it. Very soon I'll start tagging people. If you comment rubbish on my comment, I'll screenshot your comment. When what I said comes through, I'll put you so that the world will see that you don't know what you're saying. One guy's name is Crypto Advisor, whatever. His official Instagram profile is Crypto Advisor. When Bitcoin was at $89,000, I said this thing is moving to $110,000 once Trump takes in. I've been announcing it that people should go and invest. This guy came and started cussing at me. I just screenshotted that. When the crypto now moved from 89,000 to 108,000 on Trump's inauguration day. In fact, some exchanges went to 109. I was like, I inboxed the guy. I said, guy, how far? See, you don't know what you're saying. Me, I'm not just making random guesses. We are using a machine to predict this thing, and the machine is always accurate. That machine is in Investorpath. You go there, you tell it your budget, you tell it how much you intend to make at the end of the year. It will filter out the cryptos that if you invest there, you will make that amount of money. Even if you have never invested in crypto ever, there's an admin button you can chat up admin. Admin will guide you step by step on WhatsApp. Screenshot here, do this, go to the next page, like that, like a baby. That's what I like. If I'm going into an industry I don't know anything about, guide me like a baby. Within 5 minutes, you've done your investment. This is not crypto trading. It's not forex trading. It's not chasing candle signals up and down on your screen and studying the whatever. They will not be drawing line for you on the screen. Nobody cares. That's an old way of making money from crypto. Nobody cares about all those candlesticks again. Forex trade. Nobody cares about forex. Forex is outdated. Stock market is outdated. Once government buys crypto, institutional investors will officially take their money out of stock market and put it in crypto. Stock market will go down. I'm saying this in January 2025. The reason I'm calling date is so that, and Bitcoin is about $103,000, $104,000 today. So that in the end of the year, I'll cut out this section and say I predicted it. Stock market will go down and crypto will go up. To shoot to the moon. Everybody that entered early will become multi-millionaires. A new generation of multi-millionaires will be created this year. New generation. If you don't know where to start or you don't know how to visit this platform, send me a message. Alright? Inbox me. I'll guide you.